Bro.
Hey, my man, did you just pull up on the right side of the car? Go ahead and shout your channel out, bro.
Right there on the side, man. DJ Super 89.
DJ Super 89, man. Y'all see this, man. Y'all think I'm playing? Look what that steering wheel is.
My back is against the wall.
V gang, 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 what it is. Mook in the V back with another video. Y'all already know how we coming. We ain't even gotta go through the whole spiel. What? Y'all see how I'm coming? Yeah, we got that drip for days. Yes, sir. Hold on. Hold on. You know what I mean? That's how we coming, man. You already know what time it is, though, man. Getting ready to go gas up, hit the car wash, man. We hitting Stunna Reese's. I forget the name of it, man. I gotta check. I'm finna check right now, man. Give me 2 seconds. Y'all already know, man. This is where we headed right now, man. Yes, sir. Stunna Reese's meet and greet. Bartonsville, Illinois. Y'all already know what time it is, man. We finna go and turn up, man. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all this cold start, and we finna get on the road, gang. Alright, gang, we washed up, we vacuumed up, man. We jumping on the E-way, man. I'm about to link up with the CEO and that blue thing. You already know that 6 Series Alpina B6. And we finna roll, bro. We finna roll, man. We finna see how it's coming out here, man. We, you know what I mean? Finna have ourselves a good time, man. Saturday morning, man. We good. We relaxed. We rested. We got our health. We feeling good, man. We about to enjoy ourselves. You feel me? 2021 shit. We all the way upstairs with it. But yeah, man. Go pull up on them, man. Stunna Reese. Car meet, you already know. Anything shy, we gonna show love for it. You know what I mean? We not only just taking trips and going other places, we definitely showing love in the shop for sure, for sure. That blue thing should be up here sitting on the E-way waiting for us to pull up. Looking clean.
100 miles, merge onto I-55 North.
Excuse my GPS, man. She jealous whenever I talk to anybody else. Anybody else.
Continue on I-350 9 miles.
Oh, y'all see it right there. Y'all know what time it is. Y'all see what time it is. We rolling now. That joint clean, clean. That joint clean, clean. Today. He behind us now. We ain't playing today, gang. We ain't playing today, gang. about to cut this camera off, gang. We about to get this music going. I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of this cut up, but y'all already know, man. We gotta go. We on location already. Got cars starting to roll in.
I don't see nobody on this bitch.
I think we the first ones. Hey, this will be a first too. I ain't never been the first one.
Oh,
I ain't never got this bitch in the daytime clean.
I ain't gonna see. I don't see nobody out here.
Shit, he just pulled up right here. We just early, shit, 10:30. We just the first ones.
Get washed up.
And I was talking about getting here at 10. We'd have been in this bitch sitting. What's going on with you, bro?
How you doing, man?
Do YouTube, bro?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, shout your joint out.
Give me boy 345.
Yes, sir. Y'all see it.
Just starting out
How long you been in it for?
about a month now.
Month? Yeah, I'm in about 4 months now.
Yeah.
It's your baby right here.
Yes, sir.
This joint sound good pulling up.
Oh, yeah. It sounds completely different inside the car than it do outside.
Oh yeah, for
I know
sure.
that for sure.
Yeah, people always tell me that. I be like, man, I need to get louder. My neighbors was like, no, you good already.
My neighbor, he across the way from me, he like, man, at 5 o'clock in the morning, I know when you get up.
Hell yeah. That RT thing, man, y'all see it. We finna shut it down today, man. Y'all give my man the like, follow, subscribe, comment, share, all that. Y'all know how we coming. Mopar gonna be out here today. I see how we coming, man. I see how we coming. That blue thing. We the first ones on arrival, gang. We the first ones out here on the turf vlogging, you feel me?
Bro, you know how you comment, go follow me, Narco TV.
You do something too, bro? I don't shout your Instagram out or anything? Go on here, bro. Shout your shit out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I need y'all to go back around and subscribe to that truck and that charger over there. Both of us do YouTube, bro. It's gonna be a crazy day today. They pulling up. They pulling up, gang.
But horses, they come eat.
I ain't know them Trans Ams came crazy like that. I see what time it is, man. Go ahead, give them a like, comment, subscribe. We the early goals. We early with.
You like, bro, back then, they ain't no shit about crank and wheel. All they do, what the fuck is
That man Swervo just pulled up with the sparkly thing. Y'all gotta see how this joint sparkling, man.
Nice kid ass. Your head
You
big
see
as
that?
hell.
You already know what time it is, man.
Hell no, your ass always.
We out here though. Mopar out here though. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Bro, I pull up.
6.
He
Ooh.
was here. Them three was
Hey, yeah, we was early. We don't never be early, bro. Today we was early. So we gotta make it happen today.
Bro.
Hey, my man, did you just pull up on the right side of the car? Go ahead and shout your channel out, bro.
Right there on the side, man. DJ Super 89.
DJ Super 89, man. Y'all see this, man. Y'all think I'm playing? Look what that steering wheel is. That shit feel weird, bro.
Take a seat, man.
How long you had this for?
A year and a half.
That shit don't feel weird driving on this side?
I know.
Damn, that's crazy. I smack something in this bitch. Damn, got the bangs in the back. Oh yeah, we out here. This motherfucker probably be moving. Twin turbo. Got the gauges in it, man. Y'all see how he coming. I see the channel, man. Go ahead and follow him on all socials. Catfish Corner pulling up.
Hey, I'm glad old man pulled up because I
Pull
did
up
not
in the
wanna,
Benzo,
I told
clean.
you I seen her black ass. I knew I wasn't tripping, bro.
I look, that one right there look just like it.
That one look better.
It do look better, but
I know,
you know
because
what
I
I mean?
helped build it.
That's the same color though. That bitch do look good.
Yeah, you know, I helped build it, you know. She think hers look better than mine. That's why she parked it with her.
Nah, I definitely don't.
She definitely. Wait, hold on. She done put green. Look for this motherfucker.
That motherfucker look good though.
When that motherfucking sleet hit, once I turned the defrost on.
What's going on with you, bro? This motherfucker right here, Sis. See, yeah, that color crazy. Color super crazy. We got a couple cars out here flipping colors. I know how we coming, man. Ashanti's on the feet.
Hey, motherfucker was like, bro, so did you pull that bitch out the garage just for the bitch you damn broke? Hey, me and motherfucking Swervo literally just said that.
Turn the defrost on.
Clean, clean.
I won't know it anyway, look.
Master Detail, let's go ahead and follow them boys. Catfish Corn.
Original anyway. But the rest of the glass is original. See?
5.0 pulling up. Somebody got to show love to the forward side of the game.
So it'd have been.
You feel me? What y'all talking about, man? AMG before it was AMG. The pipes.
Is it a 2.6?
Hold on, let me show y'all that.
Said no, so they walked away.
You know what I mean?
I gave him 2.
This joint crazy.
I mean, I wouldn't even do
Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. Yes, sir.
They put them on business.
On my mom.
Oh, that's almost impossible.
The line holes on that joint. Got the wide body 392 right there. Mopar finest boys. Uh-huh. 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 I'll see how we come. Yes, sir. Hey, who whip is this right here?
That's my boy with the. He's got the blue and the blue sweater.
Blue and blue right here? Oh, I see him right here, yup. That joint right here, crazy.
What's going on, man?
I see that joint right there. Uh-huh. Mopar finest.
Everybody was like this. I'm like, you still like this? Cool.
This caught me right here. Side of the road, antifreeze all over the ground. This hose right here, radiator, over to the antifreeze tank just popped off as I'm driving. It's crazy. My man right here just helped me out. I forget what you said your channel was.
DJ Super 89.
Yes, sir, man. My man just came over here and figured out what the deal was. I should have enough to make it over there, though.
I wouldn't risk it, man. I say hit a gas station, get some more antifreeze. That was a lot. I saw that shit when it happened back there. I was all the way in back.
Yeah. I ain't noticed the smoke until right when I'm like, is my shit smoking?
I saw that shit was like, it was hitting the exhaust. That shit was coming out the back.
Yeah.
Like, you decent.
So that's crazy, man. That just popped off, man. The line done took off. You know what I'm saying? We gonna make it to the show and link back up with those guys. But yeah, it's crazy.